Hello, my name is Gabriela and this is my new YouTube channel, Mom About Crafts. I'm a regular mom of two and I will teach you how I make things at home and different crafts like the craft of making decorations for your birthday parties or baking a cake and decorating it, or sewing, or also cooking, different things that moms do. And I'm going to try to save you some money and so you can make your things at home. And the first project that I'm gonna do today is gonna be a shirt that I'm gonna imprint a logo. The kids get these crazy weeks of different things that they have to do. Like one day they have to wear crazy socks, and other day they have a list of the whole week. Another day they have to do a shirt with the logo from the school, like a Spirit Day. And I didn't have any shirts from the school from my daughter. So what I did a couple weeks ago, I made a shirt with the logo from the school that she goes. It's a long sleeve shirt. I bought it at Walmart for $7, and I just put the logo in there, and she was able to do this Spirit Day. Now it got a little warmer, so she needs to bring a shirt again for the Spirit Day, and so I'm gonna make one with her favorite color, that is yellow. I bought this shirt at Walmart for $3.98, so $4. And what I do is I bought this. This is what I made the blue shirt with. This is for dark color shirts. And this paper is especially for like iron on. And this one I'm gonna use now, that is for light color shirts. This costs it comes with like 10 pieces, and it costs about $9 Michaels or Joann Fabrics, and you can use like a 60% off coupon even for competitors, and you can get it for like $4 for 4 pieces of that. It's very easy. It comes on a sheet like this, and in the back it has a line, so you put it in your printer this side, so we'll print the picture here, with the line in the back, so it's the back of it. So in this dark colors transfer paper, it's a little bit different. How do you transfer from the light colors paper? On this one, you print out the image and you pretty much cut it up, and then you just peel it and put it on the shirt and you iron them. On the light color ones, you have to go through. I went to just Word and I flipped the image to 180, and you have to print it like looking the other way, because you're just gonna put the paper looking upside down when you iron it with this paper on top of it. And I'll show you on the computer how I did it. So I went on the internet and found out this image, and I went to put control and I opened the image in a new tab. So it opened right here, and this image I put copy image there, and I went to Word. I already flipped, as you can see, and here I put edit, paste special, put picture, put OK, and the image will come out here. Now how I flip it, you select on the image and you go to format, picture, and here you're gonna put 3D rotation, and here I put 180. So look at how, I don't know if you can see the image, how it's kind of rotating if I keep doing it. See? So you can put 180, because we're gonna flip it like a mirror image, and put OK, and it's flipped. So now we're gonna print it. So now we put print, and that's perfect, the size that I want. And I just put print, and I'll show you how it's gonna come out on the printer. So now it's gonna figure this way side because it's gonna print in that side. And as you can see, it's printing with like the mirror image, so it looks, see, like it's going to you can read it really because it's gonna be like that in the shirt. So now that it's printed, I'm gonna help myself with this ruler that I have usually for sewing and trying to make lines for it so I could cut it more precisely. Okay, and this I will pretty much go around the edges when I cut it. And first I use a big scissor to cut this and my little scissors to cut around here. So I cut it up to the best of my abilities and I'm gonna iron it on. I have this mat from Cricut. Cricut, it's a company that has a machine that could cut like papers and even like wood and vinyl. So they make this for easy press machine to iron on, and I have one. Is this one. You can just use an iron, but this is very easy. You just set it up to, I set up to 305 and temperature. It's heating up. So this shirt I'm going to put just the side where it's gonna go inside here. And what I like to do is I like to measure sides, kind of like from that corner to that corner. Okay, so the image, as you can see, is the mirror image because it's gonna go this way. On the ones that is the color, the dark color ones, it's like a peel sticker and you will see the image like this. And you're gonna put, it comes with this paper that you can put on top and to protect it. This one is the same. You're gonna put it as a mirror image. Just put it here, and I like to measure it too. But first, we're gonna heat up these so it will all stray. Make sure it's also a little warm. Okay, so now we're gonna put the image in reverse. So here, this paper, measure again. Yeah, it's there. So now we're gonna put this, and we're gonna put it for 30 seconds. And just press. And remember, if you don't have this machine, you can just use an iron and put pressure on it. Okay, so I'm getting it out. And the difference with this one with the other one is that you can see the white background on the one like it's like a sticker, but this one, if you put in an image like it's transparent, it's gonna come out transparent. So after this, I like to paper. I do a little bit like sealing on it. Good. Okay. And we have a shirt for school. Very easy. We made a home, and it costs $4, and the transfer paper have my 50% off coupon, 60%, so it cost me $4 for 10 sheets of paper. And if you remember, if you don't have the machine of the Cricut, use an iron and something that you can iron on it, and that's it. And I hope you like my first video, and tune in for more videos, and I will teach you how to make things here at my house. Bye. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. Thank you.